This video shows you how to install your Ring doorbell without wiring it to an existing doorbell system. First, remove the faceplate by pulling it forward from the bottom. Gently pull this orange tab to remove the battery. Next, fully charge the battery by plugging it into a USB port or power supply with the included cable. You'll know it's fully charged when only one of the LED lights is lit. Slide the battery into its compartment. You'll hear a click when the battery is secure. Now let's set up your doorbell. Open the Ring app and start the setup process. Then just follow the instructions in the app. The optimal installation height is 4 feet above the ground. This gives you the best motion detection coverage for most doorways. Use your video doorbell as a template to mark the install location. If you're installing video doorbell on stucco, brick, or concrete, use a 1/4-inch masonry bit to drill the mounting holes into your wall. Then press the included anchors into the holes before you drive the screws. If you're installing on wood or siding, you can screw your doorbell directly into the wall. Next, and pop on your faceplate. Start at the top and click it into place. Now it's time to install the security screw, which looks like this. Only use this special screw. Inserting any other type could damage your Ring doorbell. Use the included screwdriver to insert and tighten the security screw, and you're done. Need a little more help? Head to ring.com/help.